Hi Beyond viewers, I hope you all have a great week. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates or notification about the events. Let's see this week 4 awesome events. First event we are going to see about the kids workshop which is happening in a store which is happening on July 15th from 10 am to 1 pm. The event is happening there. In this event, the kids are going to build a tic-tac-toe grill game on their own. They have a two choice. They can take it home or they can do it there. And I have provided one of those address, and this is applicable all over US Lowe store. Some stores requires a registration. Second event we are going to see about the magic show which is happening in a library which is happening on July 15th starting from 2 p.m. The event is going to happen. In this event, we are going to see about origami, music, magic show and storytelling, and they also include a Japanese theater, and there is a magic story artist who is going to enchant all those stories, and I have provided the address too, and the age limit is 3 to 11, no registration required, space is limited, so go soon and watch the show. Third event, we are going to see about a fun night which is happening in a park. On July 15th from 5 to 9 pm, the event is happening there. In this event, we are going to see about family games, fun games, kids activity, music, concert and fireworks. Let's see the timing. The fun activity, family games, kids activities sharply starts at 6:30. Let's see the kids activities which has been included as face painting, bouncy house, cornhole and etc. Many games has been planned there. Food trucks and vendors are being planned there, so foods are available for purchase and guests are encouraged to bring their blankets and chair for concert. Concert is sharply 7 o'clock. If you go there, you can watch a beautiful concert, and it is followed by a fireworks. Fireworks starts at 9 p.m. and we have provided the address here, and admission is completely free. Fourth event we are going to see about a movie night which is happening in a garden on July 20 from 4 to 9 pm. This event is going to happen there. In this event, they planned for a free admission for the botanical garden and a movie night, and they have planned for a food truck is also available. Let's see the timing. The garden admission will be free only from 4 to 9 pm and it is followed by a movie night. Movie will be starting at dusk. After that, they are planned for a food truck where the food will be available for purchase and pizza is also available. Starting from 6 to 8 pm, that event will be happening there, and the address has been provided here. I hope you all have a great night. We hope this video is very useful for everyone. If it is useful, please do like, share and subscribe Beyond Us channel for more updates.